The storm passes and no shingles are lying in the yard, so the roof appears safe. But wind damage often begins with a crease or broken seal long before an entire shingle disappears. Start from the ground and inspect the roof slope that faced the strongest wind. Use binoculars or your phone's zoom to look along edges, corners, ridges, and overhangs, where wind can get underneath the roofing most easily. Missing shingles are obvious. More subtle signs include tabs lifted out of alignment, corners turned upward, and horizontal creases across a shingle. That crease shows where the material bent repeatedly in the wind and may no longer resist the next storm. Compare one slope with another. Damage concentrated on the wind-facing side supports a wind-related pattern. Widespread curling across every slope is more likely aging, heat exposure, or installation trouble. Inspect metal flashing, ridge caps, vents, gutters, fascia, and soffits for movement. A loose component can admit water even when the main shingles remain intact. Check inside the attic for new daylight, damp insulation, stained decking, or water trails. Wind-driven rain may enter through a small lifted edge and travel before becoming visible below. Photograph the roof and any debris before temporary repairs, especially if an insurance or warranty claim may follow. Do not pull on lifted tabs or walk across creased shingles. Fragile material can tear and the evidence may be altered. One loose, flexible tab may be resealable. Creased, torn, or missing shingles require replacement. Multiple affected areas call for a full inspection of the fastening and adhesive system. The absence of shingles in the yard does not clear the roof. Wind damage begins when the seal breaks, becomes visible when the tab creases, and becomes obvious only after the shingle finally leaves.